Appeal incoming. Legal matter involving the Prime Minister and the Integrity Commission takes a new twist. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Dwayne Anderson. Also this evening, politicians skip holiday rest and take their campaigns on the road on Emancipation Day. And residents of Southern Clarendon given employment hope as fresh sugarcane investment emerges. There's also Saturday Sports Special and weather in this newscast, so please stay with us. I'll have the news in detail right after this break.